Fun in the sun, what you do in the summer. But remember that those UV rays are hot, so don't forget your sunscreen. And there are steps you can take to soothe a sunburn and get some relief. So joining us with some DIY sunburn tips, Dr. Stephen Hess, the medical director and dermatologist at Center City Dermatology. Good morning.
Good morning. Glad to be here.
We appreciate you doing it. I feel like no matter how much people get out there and think they're prepared, we always end up with some sort of burn. So why do people get sunburned so easily, especially in the summer?
Well, I mean, a number of reasons. I mean, first of all, we all mess up sometimes and we forget to apply sunscreen. But I think the most common reason we get burned is people often don't remember to reapply, right? So we sweat it off when we're out there in the sun, and if you don't reapply every couple of hours, then you're going to be prone to getting a sunburn.
So just as a rule, like you won't know it's time to reapply, so just kind of say every couple hours I need to do this?
Yes, I recommend reapplying every 2 hours when you're outside, especially if you're sweating or if you're in and out of the water. 2 hours is a good rule. And you know, maybe even set an alert on your phone to remind you to do that, because it's easy to forget when you're out there having fun.
So prevention obviously is best, but what do we do if we didn't do the right thing? We experience that burn. Are there some DIY cures?
Absolutely. So, you know, it's inevitable. We're going to get sunburns from time to time. And there's some things you can do, some simple things you can do at home to try to treat that. First and foremost is you want to avoid further sun exposure, right? So you don't want to go back out in the sun. And if you do, you want to make sure you apply sunscreen, because you don't want to add insult to injury. Another tip I would have would be cool water. So taking a cool bath, a cool soothing bath, and even cool compresses using ice packs or frozen vegetables, that kind of thing, wrapped in a damp cloth, that can really kind of take some of the inflammation, the pain, the redness down. And that's something simple you can do at home.
Yeah, I'm sitting there looking at the list. Why skip the soap?
Some soaps can be very drying to the skin. You know, obviously, you know, you're going to want to use soap at some point, but I think if you get a severe sunburn, soaking just in cool water is probably the best thing to do first, because the soap can be drying and damaging to the skin barrier. So I would avoid soap, at least initially, when you're trying to cool off in a cold shower or a cool bath.
Okay, painkillers, acetaminophen, ibuprofen, anything like that?
100%. So yes, both of those are good options, either ibuprofen or acetaminophen or Tylenol. Those things can, again, they can help not only with pain, but they can reduce the inflammation that it goes along with a sunburn. So those are very simple things you can take at home every 4 to 6 hours as directed.
And then something else I'm seeing on the list is just painful to even read. Don't pop blisters. Once you have blisters, you have pretty significant burns, correct?
Yes, so blistering is associated with a more severe burn. And of course, the temptation when you get blisters is to try to pop them. But that's actually not the right thing to do. You should leave those blisters intact and cover them with a non-stick dressing if possible, or loose-fitting cotton clothing. You don't want to wear tight clothing that's going to rub on those blisters and pop them, because that'll actually then create a wound in the skin, and that's going to be more painful and take longer to heal, and even potentially predispose to scarring or infection. So you definitely want to leave those blisters intact.
I'm cringing even talking about that. I think I'm going to follow your initial advice and just load up on the sunscreen. Like that seems to be the best thing to do.
It's always the best.
Yeah, that's a good look. Thank you. We appreciate you spending some time with us.
All right, my pleasure. Have a good weekend.